Hey everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the rescue. I just couldn't stay away. I no Cricut chat today, but I wanted to show you what I'm doing, which is I am properly cleaning my Cricut mats. I think I've told you before that I use a lot of mats when I'm working, and then I save them all for when they are not sticky anymore. And so I wanted to show you how I clean these. I've been cleaning them for years. So, and this works for me, and they do get sticky again. Let me just show you. These are a pile that I cleaned. You can clean all three of these color mats, and when they're fully cleaned, the stick comes back to them. So this is very simple, easy thing. I have some liquid dish soap and this kind. Hi Dorothy. Hi Maggie. I have this kind of a scrubby sponge. I'm going to use this side, and I put the dishwashing liquid directly on the mat and use the scrubby side and just work in a circular motion. And you might not think it's lifting, but if you look, oftentimes on the bottom of the sponge, you'll see it gets kind of gross there. See? And so you're just gonna like do this circular motion until you feel like you've really covered the entire spots, all the spots, including the square, the ruler, right? And then just rinse it. To be honest, what I usually do is I scrub like 10 or so and then rinse them all at once. Make sure you get on the back side. And then this is the part that you have to do. We have to let it drip dry. So what I do is I find little spaces in my kitchen where I can put them up like this. And then when they dry, this is what they look like, almost brand new. And the stick, my hands are wet, but the stick comes straight back, just like that. And this works for all mats. There's my pink one, but I've got green, purple, and these are mostly the blue ones, but works for all of them, and the stick comes right back. So don't buy other stuff. Don't buy new mats even. Just keep working on the mats that you have, and by cleaning them. It really, really does work. Do I rinse with cold? Yeah, I do, only because I'm cheap and I don't want to pay for hot water, and not so much about if cold or hot will work. It will work with everything. Oh my gosh, Maria, let me just tell you, behind me, these are all the ones that I haven't done. Look at these. These I haven't done. So I would have to say I have close to 200 mats that I work with. And as I said, I kind of rotate them in. So I'll clean them off maybe every season, and then I kind of work. So these will be good for all the way through Christmas for me. So thanks everybody. I just wanted to come in and show you how I do the mats. It's really simple. You don't need any special tools, just a little bit of elbow grease. Then you'll get almost brand new mats as a result. And I'm going to see you tomorrow. I hope I see you tomorrow on Cricut Chat at 9 o'clock. We're going to be working on a Halloween card that I found in Cricut Design Space. But I also want to tell you that we're going to do some print and cut this week, because I started in on print and cut corgi stickers, and I was like, this is amazing. We have to do these much more. And I can't wait to show you how to do them again. Thanks everybody. See you tomorrow. Halloween card from Cricut Design Space. I'll try to post the link a little bit later in the day. Okay? Talk to you later.